2012 Nissan Sentra. Cranks, no start. This is metal shavings. This was a repoed car. It's metal shavings right there. Metal chunks. Vision inspection, everything is good. Checking spark plugs look dirty. Ignition coils are good. I was already gonna put everything back until checking all 4 cylinders. All 4 cylinders. We got this bad boy. Let's see what we find. So nothing really bad. That one looks good. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2. That looks oiled. Gas, I don't know what it is, but it still looks good. Cylinder 4. It's all the way up, you can barely see it. Cylinder 4 looks good. A little bit later. Let's check the last cylinder. Check the last cylinder. Probably won't go in. There it goes. Let's see what we find. For number 4. Yep. Fucking broken. I can't really see it that good. Let's try this again. There you go. Number 4 cylinder. Look at that. Broken piston. Goes top of the piston. Get out. And you can see right there. Look, courtesy of crankcase. Crankshaft. Four cylinder. Let's see. 114,000 miles. 114,000 miles. Repossession. This